Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable race to wake on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. You just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on display and brightness, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just keep going down. You come here to raise to wake, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean raise to wake enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.